Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. We are heading into Typhoon Lagoon today because we want to try out a brand new GoPro that we have. I'll get into some details about it in a minute, but come on in, check it out. So the first thing we have to do, actually Roberta and Jake already have the annual pass and they added in their water parks and more, but when I bought mine originally I forgot to do it, so I have to add mine in. And it's pretty late, but the idea of this video is just to kind of try out this camera, because when we are at water park or when we're doing aquatic filming, we use a GoPro. But the original GoPro we had it for so many years, and it finally it just broke. So we got this other one. It's just called GoPro Hero. It's not even like a 12 or a 13. It's kind of like a smaller mini version. It's less expensive. It doesn't have as many features, but for the amount of time we usually would use the GoPro, I think it'll be okay. But one thing we found out is the only option for recording is fisheye, so it might look a little bit different, but we'll see. And like I said, usually normal vlogs we use our DJI, but here at the water park, going in the water and stuff, it's good to have a GoPro. And normally, even if we're at a resort or something, I would only use this camera probably for a couple clips if we went in the pool or down a slide. So I think it'll be fine for what we need. All right, guys, here we go. In we go here. Now, I don't use the GoPro often, but I use it enough that I kind of, I'm pretty good. I'm pretty decent with it. But this one, it's so much smaller. Like, at least this way, I do have a screen on the back so I can kind of see where I'm recording. But again, we're just here kind of hanging out, trying out this new camera. And we're going to have a full video actually on Medling World trying things, how this camera works, all the different features on it and things like this. So it is very late in the day, which is nice when you live locally and you're a pass holder. We come lots of times late in the day. So lots of the people are coming out and we're just coming in. You got all your little shopping right there. You got changing rooms, you got your rinse off your feet and everything. Also can have snacks everywhere. You can get popcorn. Oh, the popcorn smells very good. And of course, the reason we come here, basically what we love here is the wave pool here, because it's got the really big waves. I can't wait to try this GoPro out. Actually, you get the lazy river. Still quite a few people here late in the day. Ooh-wee, it is a hot one here in Florida today. Big time. All right, let's find a spot, and I want to head into the pool first just to cool off. All right, guys, we're in the big pool here. Jake's somewhere out here. He ran right in here when we got here. It is hot. So trying out this new camera, seeing how it's gonna work. This whole video though, we're gonna shoot it with this camera, just to kind of show you around. I don't know how that fisheye looks. I remember on my other GoPro, I took it right off because I didn't like it. But it is what it is. This one doesn't give me an option. But the camera, I'm sure, looks awesome. I'm sure the picture looks great. And the GoPro is a great aquatic camera. All right, guys, let's test this GoPro out. Time to go under. Yeah, Jake, do you mind?
I don't think it has stabilizer.
We're gonna find out. It is waterproof, isn't it? Yeah, up to 16 feet.
Yeah.
Come under with me. Now, let's see how that mic is sounding. If you guys can hear me, I don't know. But we're gonna put it to the test. It's kind of boring. There's not any big waves going. I think maybe if you guys want to check to see how that family ride is.
We can. Jake want a family ride.
And then we can come back here after. Oh, the water's beautiful though, isn't it? Oh, yeah. You know what? Well, guys, actually, Roberta and Jake just got the annual passes today. Yeah. If you've noticed, the last several videos I made at Disney was just me. And now they finally joined us, or joined me, or joined all of us together. So lots more Disney content coming, guys. Can't wait. Now we're all back to Disney. We're all at Universal. We got everything covered on Medling World. Please take a moment. Subscribe to the Fish Lens. But mostly DJI Pocket 3 footage. Not today, though. Now, guys, the idea here, the theming here is that this is an old island that got hit by a huge typhoon, and everything has been damaged and wrecked, as you can see. But it's been salvaged enough that we can enjoy it if you're here at a resort, kind of. It's kind of the theming of Typhoon Lagoon. Oh, these, I've never noticed those yet. I haven't been here in a long time. Those are very nice. You can rent those. They have cabanas you can rent here, guys. Plenty of rides. But yeah, as I said, we're just kind of hanging out today. We're gonna go check out this one. It's a family ride over here. That's pretty fun. Let's see if we can get on that one. All right, let's go put this thing to the test. Let's see if we can do a little POV or a couple clips going down a slide, see how it works. Another nice thing here at Typhoon Lagoon, all these life vests you see, all complimentary. You can use them in all the pools, the slides. There's lots of places to eat and lots of areas where you can enter into the lazy river. It's an older park for sure. It's maintained great, but it's still fun. We enjoy coming. The theming here is it's awesome. They have a lot of really good snacks here too. Especially the ice cream, like the sherbet. There's fruity ice creams over here. Yeah, over at Typhoon Tilly's. Good stuff. And it is probably the laziest of lazy rivers. This one and Blizzard Beach, both very lazy rivers, aren't they?
Yeah.
And there goes Roberta with the, yeah. They also have cabanas. Oh, I can see it. They're all over in different areas of the park. Here's some here. And I think this is the family ride here.
Yeah.
It holds 3 to 4. So, yeah, it looks like there's not much of a line. Let's go find out. Let's go have a ride. Oh, I like it when it's like this. It's pretty much right on a walk-on. That's why we do like coming later in the day. And it's a little over an hour left before the park closes, so it just will start to become less and less people. So guys, what's cool about this, as you can see here, you enter in on the water and you get in on ground level. There's no stairs or anything, and then it takes you up that belt. But we're gonna show you what it's like right now. Who's gonna get stuck backwards? That's always a question. Oh no, not me.
What's something a dog got to do to get a few crackers up here, eh?
It's been so long since we've been to Typhoon Lagoon. So excited. Can't wait. We're getting ready to go down, guys, for video courtesy of Roberta. Let me see if I can put my legs down a little bit. Oh, yeah. Like that. Oh, thank you, Jake. Oh, yeah. Oh, the water's so nice, man.
I am backwards again.
No, it's me.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, it's me.
I know. It's pretty cool if you look at the theming on the way down, too. You can see, like,
I can't
the
see
old
anything.
statue. As long as one hand's on, you can point. It's like an old mine, like an old sand mine.
Why is it always me?
Oh, yeah! Oh, the water's so warm on this ride. There you go, Roberta. Oh, yeah, my... Oh, I wish the camera was on Roberta. She got wiped out with that one. Oh, that was fun. So I'm going to say something before Roberta cuts it off. I think the fisheye will be good for that kind of a video. I think me and Jake might try another one here. We can do a doubler here. Roberta's like, oh, I'll just go wait in the pool over here. You want to try, Jake? The Crush and Gusher. Probably another walk-on. Love it. See on the top. The thing here, though, is you got to carry it up yourself. That's the part of the outdated. Most all the new water parks, you don't carry the tubes up. They have...
It's like a machine that brings it up.
Yeah, that's right, Jake, usually. I think there's a couple in the Disney parks, but not many. So we got to carry it up the stairs. Here we go, guys. was fun. It's kind of like if you've been on a Disney cruise ship, right, Jake? It's almost kind of like the Aqua Duck or Aqua Mouse. It was fun. It wasn't very long though.
That was pretty short.
Yeah, but man, well, we got splashed good. And again, the thing I'm loving here is you get on a water slide. The water is so nice, man. It's not cold or anything. Having a fun time here. I'm gonna kind of go over this side a little bit. I think there's another kind of like, I think there's one we can do like family over here. I want to go find out. I think it's at this park. And then I can just show you a little bit as we go around. But I think it's so cool now that both parks are open, so you could come here during the morning. If you would say you had a resort day, but you were gonna enjoy the water parks, you could come here in the morning. If you have the pass, the water parks and more, it's an option too. If you have tickets to Disney, you can add on. You could use that for one of your days. You could come here in the morning, hang out, go to your resort, maybe have some lunch or do something, and then go to Blizzard Beach later in the day, or you just make the whole day. Yeah, over here, guys, a full kids section. Now, by no means is this vlog a full tour of Typhoon Lagoon. It's just like a little hangout vlog today, because we hadn't been here in so long, just to kind of show you. It's 6:15, so we got like 45 minutes. But yeah, just kind of hanging out, walking around. I thought there might have been one over here. Let's go have a look. Oh, right here. Okay, right over here. And I believe you can put the whole family on this one. Let's go find out. This is it, Gangplank Falls. If I remember right, you gotta like roll it all the way up, which will be my job. There's a nice view of the wave pool right there. Look at how beautiful that is, huh? Very neat. All right, let's head up to the ride. What's funny is we keep trying to go back to the wave pool for the big waves, and every time we go, they're not going, and now we're here and they're going. So, but this is what you have to do here. It's a real pain.
For your safety and enjoyment,
You got to roll it all the way up.
And hang onto the handles with both hands.
Which, you can tell this is old school way of doing things here.
The stairs and be careful.
But anyway, we'll show you when we go down. That one is pretty fun.
Yeah.
Because it just like spins you around, bounces you off the walls. I like it. So I think
I don't know if it's that much of the cliff.
yeah, Roberta got slammed. Their glasses went flying down. It was fun though. Well, yeah, hey, you know what? We might not have been here for a while, but we're having a good time, and I hope you guys are enjoying here on Medling World. Again, with the GoPro Hero with no number. Just a GoPro Hero, it's called. It's a mini version. I think it's gonna serve the purpose well for the kind of vlogs we do. As I mentioned earlier,
I don't think so.
Roberta has other feelings because she's the one who has to edit all this, so we'll see though. We're gonna put it out the way it is just so you guys can give us an opinion on it. And again, like I said, if we're at a resort or a cruise, if ever I even use it, it's usually just a couple clips during the middle of a vlog, so I don't think it'd be an issue at all. But obviously here today, using it the whole time. I missed it. Got the end of it. I tell you what, it is strong though. It is a very strong wave. It's so cool. Like, this is the only wave pool I know of in Orlando that throws these big waves out like that. They actually, I don't know if they still do it, but you used to be able to do surf in the morning before the park opened. Let's see if we can catch a better view. Should be another one coming here in a moment. Hold your glasses. Yes,
Especially my Mickey glasses that I just found again.
Look at. We found these after so many years. They're the limited second edition Ray-Ban Mickey glasses.
Yeah,
Found them
after I ran
in
over
our
my...
apartment. We had them packed away since we moved here. We bought those probably when Jake was 3.
Yeah.
Roberta,
Yeah.
happy anniversary, by the way.
Happy anniversary.
It's me and Roberta's anniversary, 19 years.
Yeah.
Yes. So we also use one of these. This one, and we have another one that Roberta has here. This one is floats. It's a little bit better. But this one's good. This one we usually just put our passes and our keys. That way we don't need to rent a locker. So these are always convenient to have at a water park. You can get them at almost every water park, but I would order them ahead on Amazon or something. You're probably going to get them much cheaper. There's like 15 minutes left of the day. So I think we're going to do a little lazy river. There's nobody even in it. Kind of come around this way. Lots of this stuff's starting to close down now, the food. So if you want to get food, make sure you don't wait till the last minute. Ice cream, maybe. Still open. Is this the way you go?
No, this way.
Over here. Oh, that's kind of nice. Got that for the water bottle. They used to have freestyle machines
Yeah,
here.
this is big freestyle here.
What? Oh, well, that's a hand-dipped Mickey Premium Ice Cream Bar. $7.99. Wow. So weird being in here. It's like nobody in here, man. I don't think I've ever been in here so quick I can hear the birds. Wow. When you talk about a lazy river, it's about as lazy you're gonna get, man. There is not much going on here. You can see there's not really any water that splashes. There's a couple spots where the water comes up and splashes you a little bit and shoots out, but for the most part it's gonna be just like this. Just chill. Oh, there it is. Oh, that one wasn't too bad. Ah, feels good. Feels good. Roberta, you said it's the laziest of lazy, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going into this like grotto cave area. We got a little action here with the water coming down. Actually pretty cool looking. The waterfall there. Some people just kind of like stuck in there hanging out. Let's go! Alright guys, thank you for joining us. I cannot see the lens. I gotta ask Roberta, am I...
Yeah, you're good.
I'm good? That's how I'm gonna have to do it now. So Roberta's on the other side of me. She's gonna have to go like this or no. But I'm just kidding because on this GoPro, literally.
I really don't like the fisheye.
Yeah, we already talked about that a lot. Roberta's not liking the fisheye display. But it is what it is. I'm not gonna keep talking about that over and over again. But I am gonna say this. Thank you so much for watching Medling World today as we hang out at Typhoon Lagoon. Now again, Roberta and Jake back as pass holders. We have the water parks and more. I want to find out more about ESPN. I think we're allowed to go to the events there with our pass because it's the water parks, sports and more or whatever. So I gotta, if somebody knows, let me know in the comments. Can you just walk into an event with that and go to it? I mean, like, if it's a baseball game, college basketball or something, I have no idea. Other than that, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!